Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of drones. We will be comparing two popular options, Q9s drones for kids and drone with camera. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right into the comparisons. Q9s drones for kids is priced at just $49, making it a budget-friendly option for parents looking to introduce their kids to the world of drones. On the other hand, drone with camera comes at a slightly higher price of $129, offering more advanced features. Q9's drones for kids is designed with bright LEDs that emit vibrant neon green and blue lights, adding a colorful and exciting element to your flying experience. It also has a structured style with 4 sturdy propeller guards, ensuring a secure flight and protecting your kids from any potential injuries. Drone with camera, on the other hand, offers a range of user-friendly features such as one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. It even provides smart app control, allowing you to define flight routes, use voice control and gesture selfies, and enjoy various functions like 360 degrees flips and gravity sensing. Additionally, it comes with an HD 1080p camera for high-quality photography and real-time image transmission. Q9's drones for kids comes with 2 batteries, giving you double the flight time. However, the battery life of each individual battery is not specified. Drone with camera, on the other hand, offers a longer flight time of approximately 25 to 30 minutes with its 2 rechargeable batteries. Q9's drones for kids is lightweight and durable, making it easy to carry around and handle for kids. Its compact size allows for easy storage and transportation. Drone with camera takes portability to the next level. It is designed to be foldable, allowing you to fit it in your pocket or backpack effortlessly. With a weight under 250 grams, it is also FAA registration free. And there you have it, our comparison between Q9's drones for kids and drone with camera. Both products have their unique features and advantages. Q9's drones for kids is a budget-friendly option, perfect for introducing kids to the world of drones, while drone with camera offers advanced features and high-quality photography capabilities. Remember to consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and smart buying tips. See you next time on Buy Smart.